Hello, you're on our channel Kubay Design. Today's video is about the 6x6 conversion kit we're sending to our client in the Emirates, and we'll show you what's included. Since we build 6x6 G-Wagons, we also offer the option to order a kit like this and build it in your own country. That's exactly what the client from the Emirates wanted. He has his own shop, he knows how to do all this, and he said basically there's no point in him shipping the car to us. He says, I'll do it all myself. So we've put together a kit for him with everything essential that he needs for the conversion. What's included in this kit? First, the body, of course. He wanted the body to be pre-painted. Usually we've sent these kits unpainted. The client sent us his paint code. We painted the rear door to match the color. We also fully wrapped it so it wouldn't get scratched or damaged in any way. And why did we package the kit this way, so to speak? Because it's all going by air via DHL, meaning it's needed as soon as possible. Usually we always ship by sea, but it's also possible to send it by air with DHL. It'll be in the Emirates in literally 4 to 5 days. So we have that option too. Since we have our own logistics company, we can do that as well. Next, fender flares. The client ordered carbon fiber ones. These are our rear flares. Naturally, there are also front ones. They're being packaged right now. To keep the height down, we took the roll bar. This one here is made of stainless steel. Let's just say we took it off, wrapped it, and, well, turned it this way to pack it as compactly as possible. Well, because this directly affects the shipping cost. Naturally, if it were almost twice as high, it would be more expensive. What do we have here? This is called a stand or a jig. What is it actually for? When you're setting up the car, particularly when working on the frame, to turn it into a proper 6x6 and to correctly weld the frame and the body together, you really need a jig like this. We manufacture these jigs. The client ordered one. This will be his first 6x6 project and he wants to keep producing them in the future. This will be our representative office in the Emirates. So he takes one kit like this, and then those 6x6 G-Wagons can be churned out like on an assembly line. That's what a thing like this is for. If you only need to build one car, it's not always necessary. But for most clients, to avoid the hassle, since it's not that expensive, it's better to just buy it and set it up right away. Accordingly, you can also see the frame here, specifically the section of the frame that needs to be welded on. Of course, we provide a full video tutorial on how to do all of this. We have plenty of videos and you can check them out on YouTube as well. If we have clients with confidential information, we send them private links so they can see how to do it all and be able to assemble it themselves. Next, the client also ordered this rear wall upholstery in this color, which we also include in the kit. The configuration can actually vary because there are different clients, and accordingly some can sew it while others cannot. So the client chooses. The kit includes an axle, a standard regular axle for a G-Wagon, a G63 with a 37/9 gear ratio, because the client will not be installing the original pass-through axle as was initially planned, but instead the client will be installing a transfer case in its place. This means that this particular vehicle will actually be equipped with a transfer case rather than the standard pass-through axle. There are also skid plates, guards, and so on and so forth. Wood is also definitely included in the kit for sure. And also this rear wall, we also include the wall and a video on how to correctly cut the car and install that wall. This is what the rear wall looks like. And it comes with 3 pieces of glass, meaning the rear glass and also the side pieces are all included, along with the seals to install it all. So, if you want to build a 6x6 G-Wagon in your country, please contact our company Kubay Design. We always have these kits in stock. Right now, specifically, we have about 10 kits. And subscribe to our channel. There will be many interesting videos about car tuning.